FEMY stock, the Q1 2026 catalyst storm is coming. 1. FDA FemBloc pivotal trial progress. The biggest fundamental driver remains the final phase of the FemBloc pivotal trial. The IDE to continue enrolling was granted in late 2025. Investors will be watching enrollment pace and interim data, if disclosed, faster enrollment, de-risking the U.S. approval timeline, any FDA regulatory updates or CRL or OK signals. This is the binary catalyst with the most upside if the trial stays on track or shows promising signals. 2. Q4 2025 and Q1 2026 earnings and financial updates. According to the publicly available calendar, the company is projected to report Q4 2025 earnings around March 25th, 2026, Q1 2026 earnings around May 6th, 2026. These releases can act as key catalysts if they show stronger revenue traction from FemBloc and other products, improved cash runway or reduced losses, and or encouraging forward guidance. 3. Commercial expansion and international orders. Themasis has begun rolling out FemBloc in Europe and other markets with distribution partners and initial orders reported. Continued commercial uptake, especially in France, Spain, Benelux, and beyond, could be a catalyst, especially if early revenue starts to show meaningful growth. CandleSense.ai. 4. Strategic partnerships and product launches. Keep an eye on news around new distribution partnerships for FemBloc or other products, Femicide fertility solutions adoption, particularly in the US market, additional product kits or services that broaden revenue streams. Partnership news can be a sentiment trigger for thinly traded stocks like FEMY, CandleSense.ai. 5. Capital markets activity. Themasis has recently raised capital via convertible notes and public offerings. In Q1 2026, watch for further financing announcements, changes in share structure, example, warrant exercises or potential reverse splits for NASDAQ compliance. These can act as catalysts in either direction. Improved runway could boost sentiment, while dilution could pressure the share price. 6. NASDAQ compliance/corporate actions. There's chatter about maintaining NASDAQ compliance listing, example, minimum bid price, and possible reverse split discussions in early 2026. If FEMY avoids a reverse split or announces favorable corporate actions, that could provide a short-term uplift. Quick summary. What to watch in Q1 2026. Catalyst. FDA trial updates, FemBloc. Biggest binary outcome, potential U.S. approval runway. Catalyst, Q4 2025 earnings, March 2026. Financial health and commercial traction. Catalyst, commercial order flow/partnerships. Evidence of real revenue growth. Catalyst, product launches/forecasts. Shows expansion beyond trial stage. Catalyst, financing/equity moves, affects runway and dilution risk. Catalyst, NASDAQ compliance news, sentiment inflection if stable.
Okay, let's see if it's indeed thinly traded. Okay, maybe by to some extent, this is it is indeed thinly traded. Okay, FEMY. Okay, this is its weekly chart. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Yeah, underlying trends see very bearish. Lower prices are expected to keep playing out, going all the way towards the 14th of January. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, projections are saying, okay, before that, the 40-day moving average is expected to begin to decline from the 5th of January. And if it does, it might prevent any bounce from occurring. Okay, projections are currently saying 0.7015, 0.6068, 0.5483 as things stand right now. Okay, previous projections, let's see what we have. Upper projections 1.13, 1.26, 1.34 as of the 16th of December. Yeah, okay, let's see. I don't know if there's any fresh news here. No, no fresh news. Okay, yeah, momentum is expected to remain flat, but might begin to pick up from the end of January or thereabouts. Yeah, aligning with this bounce that it's been extrapolated here. Yeah, so yeah, have a look and see what you make of FEMY. And thank you very much for watching this video.